Have you heard of or even tried the draw and hold command in the Windows 11 snipping tool? If you haven't, let me show you this feature that I think you'll find quite useful. I'm Michelle, a computer coach here sharing tips and tricks on your everyday software to make life that little bit easier. Here I am in Windows 11. I've already taken a screenshot with the snipping tool. If you're anything like me, you frequently want to highlight something, just point out exactly what you're talking about when it comes to quite a busy page. And of course, as you already know, we've got the drawing tools, and you just click on it, choose the colour, I always prefer red, and then you can select the size of the line that you're drawing. And then all you do is you simply draw whatever you want. Now, the catch is when I'm trying to create an image for one of my handouts, I prefer it to look, I don't know, a little bit more professional. Now, there are a couple of ways that you can do this. You can just draw the shape. The problem with drawing on the screen is if you're anything like me, it's never neat, it's never tidy, and it's never what you want. So yes, I do actually use the undo quite a lot, and I try again and again. But what you kind of get it right, and you think, oh, that's pretty good, but you'd like it to be, I don't know, a perfect shape. Here's where the draw and hold command actually fits in. I'm going to undo that again. And I'm going to draw that again, but this time, as I come back to where I started, I am going to hold. And you can see that it immediately turns my really bad drawing into a proper shape. And it's as simple as that. Let's choose my logo, and I can draw a really bad rectangle. Again, I just join it back up, hold it, and it automatically makes it into the proper shape that I've tried to draw. This can be something that's just so useful when you are automatically drawing things rather than choosing to actually create the shape. And it's as simple as click and drag, return back to the beginning and hold it. So let's try that one more time. Let's draw a bad shape, return back, and you can see it's not always going to be correct, but you can manually change it as you need to. So it's as simple as click and drag, return back to your starting point and hold it. It's the hold that actually tells the snipping tool that you want to make it into a perfect shape. You can still use it as a drawn tool and you can still return it back, but let go immediately. If you draw it and you accidentally hold it for too long and it makes it into the shape, you have two choices. You can undo it, which will return it back to your drawn item, or of course you can undo it and try again. If you found this quick tip useful, then please do give the video a thumbs up. And remember to like and subscribe to my channel for more useful tips and tricks every week. I'll see you in the next video.